Abandon pride. When you're with your guru, the number 6 advice is abandon pride. To tell your guru and to explain to your guru and say all the reasons why you cannot. And make up all kinds of reasons why you cannot. If in front of your guru you cannot abandon your pride, why are you studying with your guru? The whole purpose of your guru is to help you cut your pride, which is one of the main causes for taking rebirth in samsara. If you cannot cut your pride with your own guru, the person who cares and loves for you from compassion and takes care of you, and even what you don't give to the guru gives you. Some people, the students never give the guru anything, never. Little gifts here and there, but really take care of the household, clean, wash, supply, sponsor. They never do anything for the guru, never. And even they still give the guru arrogance and pride. Some people give a lot of material things to the guru, but if we examine what the guru does with it, he benefits other people. So you giving to the guru is not you giving to the guru. You give it away to sentient beings. The guru has disseminated your offerings to benefit others, so you can collect merit. You can collect merit. In fact, I've heard of sponsors in the past lovingly complain that their guru never keep anything they give them. Lovingly complain with deep respect. I've heard twice. Whatever I give my master, he always gives it away. He doesn't keep anything. Always he gives it away. Never mind. I keep giving it to him to give away. I've heard twice. I was thinking, God, I hope I have that problem one day. I love that problem. To get a lot of things and give it away, it's a great problem. Number 7, no matter how difficult or heavy the burden, be like a rope, hold the guru's work with joy. Why? The minute it's hard, you give it up. Isn't that just so us? The minute it's hard, we just give it up. Forget it, give it up, never mind, give it up, forget it, never mind, give it up. You will never have this chance again. Someone who has pure intention towards you, and there are other people with pure intention towards you, but worldly, because they don't know any better. Like our parents can have pure intention towards us. They're wonderful, but it stops just at worldly comfort. Nothing more. Nothing more. To be persistent and consistent, and to be enthusiastic of one's guru's work, you fulfill 3 of the paramitas. 3 of the paramitas. Whatever the guru gives you, you just give up after a while because you let all your attachments take over. You let your busyness and appointments take over. Now your laziness may manifest as a guru telling you off. But in the future, your laziness might manifest as an employer, as a friend, as a lover, as someone close to you saying goodbye. Same thing. So right now, your guru is telling you, you better not be like that, you better not like that, and shout you and tell you off. And your guru is always in love with you, always love you, always in love with you, always in loving care of you, loving care. But if now it's the guru manifesting and telling you about you and what you're doing, because your laziness has prompted that. Your lack of care and lack of awareness has prompted that. But in the future, this lack of awareness and lack of care and this kind of selfishness will manifest as a lover that you love very much, that says, bye-bye, I can't handle it anymore. As a friend that says, bye-bye. Your lack of caring and selfishness will lead to deep loneliness. Loneliness not just in this life, the type of loneliness such as being born in dark places alone. It might manifest as an employer telling you goodbye, and then you suffer from financial disparity and problems. It might manifest as someone that you love very much or benefited you very much, but that cannot take you anymore. They say bye-bye. Your parents will die one day. Your parents will die one day. Who else can take you? Who else can take you and put up with you? And if you think that if you have money, everything's all right, it's contrary to what Buddha says. So you pick what Buddha says or what you say. You pick. But your lack of sensitivity and you giving up easy and not being persistent and pushing will definitely manifest in another person in another way, definitely in the future, and not once, again and again and again. And you will suffer tremendously. Why? They will not be as kind and giving and caring and patient as your guru. That's presupposing you have a real guru, not a vicious, arrogant monster guru. A real guru. It will all come back. So right now we can arrogantly sit there, whatever, la la lula la la la, I do what I want, I drop what I want, destroy what I want, I break my promises, blah blah la 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 la. One day, you will get it. Then little Lula is gonna get it. And the guru will be, when people are watching, going, oh, poor Lula, and in the back going, like that cartoon Dastardly and Muttley. That little evil dog is always laughing when something happens to that guy. So your guru will manifest as Muttley. Oh, you lost your girlfriend? Oh, your boss fired you you mean your boss told you to get lost? Yeah. And then you take rebirth in hell? Is it hot? Or your guru manifests nearby drinking a nice, cool Diet Coke, and you're in hell burning. And the guru manifests speakers and a microphone. And you're sitting there burning up. And then you're looking at him and he drinks his nice Diet Coke. Well, okay, normal Coke. When you're born as an animal working in the plow, in the fields, in the rain, in the heat, being beaten up somewhere in China. And your guru manifests as the farmer with a rice hat. Whip. Oh boy, I would love to do that. Boy, I have a few people in mind, I tell you. Let it happen, let it roll, let it be. I would love it. Oh yes, those things can happen. And even when the guru laughs at you, is it a laugh of happiness or a laugh of teaching you a lesson to turn around? We have to think. We have to think. You don't know the kind of fantasies I have in my mind for some people. You just don't know the things I like to, oh God. And some of the things I know that's going to happen to them, once in a blue moon, I think, don't help them, let it happen. I do, but then I go to sleep. I say, oh, I can't. I'll break my vow. I can't. I made a promise to Swamiji not to let people suffer. Sometimes I kind of know what's going to... I mean, you just use logical... Parents know what's going to happen to their kid if they're a lazy bum, right? They know that. It doesn't take clairvoyance. It takes common sense. Sometimes I know what's going to happen to them, and I actually don't want to say, I don't want to scold, I just let that happen. And really, I go to bed like... And I wake up and say, oh, I hate myself. I hate myself if I help them, and I hate myself if I don't. I say, all right, never mind, let's do it. Then even if they still fail, I know I didn't break my commitments. Simple as that. But I love Dastardly and Muttley. I love that little evil dog, Muttley. He's always sniggering at something evil that happens to his master. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? That little evil mutt. And he's always got this sarcastic little bitchy look like. And he knows what's going to happen. He's like... And then when the master is doing something or says something, he's like... He acts all innocent. And when it happens, he's in the background like... Oh, I love that little bitchy dog. I always visualize myself as that when something happens to some people. Oh, no, I don't. I can't. I have fantasies too, you know. They're mainly let it roll, let it happen fantasies. Yeah. Some people want to go on long trips and some things might happen to them. Once in a while I say, oh, just go. 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 And I say, oh, no, never mind. Let me be bitchy and send a lot of SMS to tell them just don't. They can hate me all they want. It's all right. They have guru devotion. They'll get over it. Even when the guru criticizes, provokes, and ignores you, be like a faithful dog, never respond with anger. You know when we have a little pet dog, no matter how we hit them and scream at them, they never bite back, they never fight back. The guru is not asking you to be a dog. It's not some kind of sex game. Get on your fours and go, ruff, ruff. It's not that. The guru is not asking you to get on your hands and knees and be a dog. It's giving you an example of how kind and loyal a dog, how loving and loyal a dog is. that no matter how much you hit them or beat them or hurt them or slice them up, they are very, very loyal. Like that, we should be very loyal to our very loyal and without anger toward our guru. Why? Is the guru really provoking you? Is the guru really angry at you? Is the guru really mistreating you? And if you act back in anger, whether whatever he has said to you is justified or not, it shows your level. If you can't even hold your anger and think clearly and push yourself better for your own guru who compassionately teaches you the path, who can you hold your anger from? The whole purpose of the guru provoking you is to train you to cut your anger down. That is the whole reason. There is no other reason. No other reason. So the guru sometimes will put you in very no-win situations on purpose because you have a big ego, to cut your ego down so that he checks how's your anger. Because if your anger is less, that means your compassion is growing. You're getting closer to higher practice. The guru checks. The guru watches. That's presupposing if your guru is a compassionate, nice person, not an emanation of dastardly the mutt. Be like a boat, never upset to come or go for the guru at any time. Be like a boat. A boat is what? It supports the passengers, supports the people. So if the guru tells you stay late, stay late. If the guru tells you get early, get early. You don't come to the guru and say, oh, it's so early. What? Then it shows what kind of person you are. You can't even control your physical senses. If it's a little late, push yourself. Be alert. Look good. Be alert. Why? Because if it's about talking about money, you'll be alert. If it's about getting bubbly, you'll be alert. We can go to a club and dance all night and jump up and down all night and we won't be tired. We'll be very friendly with the bartender, very nice with the doorman, very courteous to our friends, and very, very nice to the new person we just picked up. No matter how tired we are, no matter even if we got diarrhea, even if we got a headache, we'll be very nice and very smiling because we want something. What? So how come we can push ourselves in that situation? Remember the first time you courted your lovers? Your husband, your wife, whatever your lovers are now? Remember the first time you courted them? How nice you were? How you made an effort? How you showed them your best side? How everything they did, never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind. Now it's like, how dare you? Yeah, when you first met them. You were very nice to them. You're very groomed. You talk pleasant. You're very sweet. That person's everything. All the time. Everything they do. Now it's like, why? Why? So if we can be like that with something that brings us a little bit of pleasure, husband and wife and partners and lovers bring us a little bit of pleasure, and we can do so much rear end kissing. Remember from now when I go, that means rear end kissing. I got a more graphic word, but I'm on tape. So if we can do so much rear end kissing for just the wife or just the husband that turns out to be a panti anak or a hantu, that drains us our finances, and then the wife turns into a boat, the husband turns into a house. And then we come out with retarded babies. It's like, thanks a lot. If we can do so much with these people, we can't do it for our guru. These people just bring us pleasure and company for a few years. If it lasts. If it lasts. And for a boss that gives us a salary, in fact, it's not even, it's a big one. Just for a few dollars. Yeah, it's a few dollars we need to survive, but it's just for a short time. But for supreme enlightenment, for learning how to control our anger, to learning the science of our minds to transform ourselves, we don't do this to the guru. We do this to the guru. Here you go. That's right. Come and get it, guru. And that's what the guru has to do when they usually go to a non-Buddhist community. The guru has to do a lot of all day long. To the students, please do it. Please don't do. Please don't kill yourself. Please don't go abroad. Please study Dharma. Please come to Dharma teachings. Please do your talk. Please keep your commitments. Please don't break your vows. Please do your sadhana. Please recite your miktama. Please do your pujas. Please. Here's a gift. Here's a mala. Here's a pendant. Here's a pen. Here, go get your facial done. Here, I'll give you a massage. I'll give you some food. Please be a Buddha. Please, oh pretty, please be a Buddha. That's what the gurus have to do when they go outside. And then the students walk in. I just finished my meeting and I'm here to attend your teaching. You're lucky I'm here. I let you collect merit. I let you learn what you learned in the monastery. Let's see how smart you are. Convert me, teach me, and make me a Buddha. Oh yeah, and don't forget this. Oh yes, sir. That's how the gurus are treated here, like crap. Yeah. And if the guru has a nightmare sponsor, you may kiss my hand because I wrote you a check. And my daughter's not well. And I need to do a puja. Oh, yes, Mr. Sponsor, yes. And then if anything happens, you got to be on beck and call for the sponsors 24/7. If the sponsor's not happy just a little bit, you're not biting your nails, you're biting your whole hand because, they're going to cut your ministry off. And then they never fail to remind you how kind they were. And if they raise one eyebrow, you better have a good explanation. You're like, they're not happy. And then committees, oh God, committees are nightmares. The scourge of all gurus is committees. Oh my God. I don't have time. I can't get together. I'm going to quit. I'm not going to do this anymore. I don't understand. They make me feel like that. They said this to me. Oh God. It's like a bunch of screaming toddlers. Put them in tatikala. But when they start, they get the appointment letters. Me, I got picked. Me. It's like they won a beauty contest. Far from a beauty contest, dearie. Me. I'm on the committee, but I'm so new. Oops. And they make all this face. I'm on the committee. Oh, I'm so honored. But, and then this fake pretentious humility. But I'm not qualified. Yes, you are. All right. And then they stroll into the meeting. You know how many appointments I had to change to be here in KH? To be here to head and be with you clowns. And then they sit there in the meeting. You do that, you do this, you do that, you do that, do this. And they take pictures and they're all happy with the new group. Oh, we're so wonderful. Next week, no pictures. The week after that, well, I don't even want to go to the meeting. The week after that, what's the purpose of all this? I'd rather go to sleep. And the Lama's going to come in. Please go to the meeting. Teach them Dharma to give them a motivation why they do Dharma work. Inspire them, give them gifts, give them food, give them drinks, provide a place, turn on the aircon, pay the bills, SMS them, inform them, and then advertise how wonderful their meeting was. And do all these things for them just to have one teeny little meeting. And they say, I don't have guru devotion. Oh my God, I wouldn't be here if I didn't believe my guru's theory. I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be here if I didn't believe in my gurus to deal with, oh my God, these committee are the most scariest people you have to deal with. They can't do this, they're not available, they're not free. You know why they're not free? They're not available because committee are all volunteers. Volunteers have this attitude, I'm doing you a favor. They don't realize the importance of Dharma. Oh my God, that's one nightmare. I used to watch the committee talk and go on and on at Geshe-la Center. I sit there, oh, poor Geshe-la. I would hear them. It's not here, it's universal. Everything is no, cannot, no, cannot. Always. But yet they're devoted, they want to do Dharma. They're doing the best they can. They're not doing the best they can. They're not doing whatever they can because they don't realize what will happen to them later. They don't realize about future lives. They don't realize about their death. They don't realize what really is behind the corner. They don't realize. It's very scary. Very, very scary. So when we don't give up and we push ourselves and we keep doing it, we will develop the 6 paramitic qualities in us that will be a very great tool when we practice higher teachings to cut away our anger and our ego and our self-grasping. It will be very powerful. Very, very powerful to cut that away. And that's why we have the 9 attitudes to our Guru, which is condensed at the 50 verses of Guru devotion. And there are many books out now from many traditions talking about the relationship between a teacher and a Guru for modern people. for modern people. So you think about that.